This week in Tech and Twos, we'll look at a change coming that you may or may not have already noticed in Google Hangouts. So Google Hangouts is an all-encompassing name for both instant text message chats and video chats in Google. However, Google Hangouts in its current form will be retiring in October of 2019 and will exist instead as two separate tools. One focused on instant text messaging called Google Hangouts Chat, and another focused on video calls and meetings called Hangouts Meet. Although the official transition won't be until the fall of 2019, you can find both Hangouts Chat and Hangouts Meet already available for you to use. Today we'll take a quick introductory look at how to use Google Meet for video calls and virtual meetings and how it differs and how it's the same as the old Google Hangouts video calls. So some good things to know about video calling with Google Meet is that you can have up to 25 participants at a time. And there is now a dial-in option to be able to have people dial in via phone. You can also invite people via phone as well, so you can have that audio support too. It also allows external invitations to a meeting with one click. You don't need a Gmail account required in order to have a Google Meet session with someone. Text chat is available alongside the video chat. So within your video chat, you also have a text chat feature, and screen sharing is also available. So Google Meet makes it really simple to join or invite someone to a meeting. To join a meeting, you can do it via your web browser. There's a link usually in a Google Calendar event. There will be a meeting link URL generated when you start the meeting. Or you can invite someone from Hangouts Chat. You might be having a text message conversation and you want to jump into a video call with them. You can do it that way as well. And so same for inviting someone. You can use that meeting link URL, and there's actually an invite option within the meeting itself, or you can use that Google Calendar event. So you can find Meet in your Google Apps Launcher waffle, or you can go to meet.google.com. You can use a meeting code to join someone else's meeting or click on Start Meeting. Settings allow you to check your camera, your microphone, and your speaker, and even test. To make sure they're ready to go, you can click on Start Meeting and you'll have the option to invite others to the meeting. You can copy and paste that or type in email addresses to invite them to that meeting, or even use a phone number. The chat feature on the right allows you to do text message chatting with those that are in on the call. And on the bottom right-hand side, you have the option to share your screen. So great for meetings and sharing resources as you're chatting about them. So now you are ready to have some successful virtual meetings using Google Meet. Stay tuned for more information about the new Google Hangouts Chat.